Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kree Leah and my hair page on Instagram is kreestylez. The names will be in the description box for all my socials. Today I'm going to be doing knotless braids for you guys, and I'm going to start by taking the impression hair and shedding it to make sure that the ends are not blunt. To shed the hair, I take it piece by piece. I find it easier this way because I'll be able to get through the whole hair and not leave any little bits behind. I am doing a client's hair, so that's who I'm talking to. That's how you can see me smiling and a little giggling too. I am using a paddle brush to brush out the hair after I've shredded it. I find it easier that way. Now I'm going to take my favourite Gummy. I always use gloss because I find that the red one that I used to use goes white, and I don't like that. The glossy one doesn't go white, and you don't really need that much, but you know. So I'm going to start by parting the hair, and then I'm going to take the Gummy and put it in the part and then part the hair again. This is how you get a straight part. That's how you see everyone perfecting their part. This is the method that they use. So once you have got your part straight, you're going to part off your first section where you'll be doing your first plait. Once you have parted it off, you're going to take some Gummy and put it around that section and comb through with a comb. Now you're going to get some of the impression hair and you're going to part it into 3. Just get a size that you would normally do a normal plait if it wasn't knotless, but part it into 3 so all the 3 bits that you have are the same size, small bits of hair. I'm so sorry I didn't show you the size, but you'll see as I add it. So as you'll normally do a normal plait, start plaiting, and you're going to take the first little bit from your 3 and add it in. Plait again, and then you're going to take the next little bit from your 3 and add it in. And you're going to do the same one for the last part. Now don't worry if you did not catch that first time. I'm going to do it again. The back of her hair is thinner, so I do it differently to the middle of her hair and the top. But just keep watching and you'll catch it. Right, we're moving on to the second plait now. Make sure you've parted the part for your next section. Take the Gummy, put it all around your section and comb through with a comb. Make sure you get your impression hair and it's split into 3, and we're going to start plaiting. So start plaiting the hair as normal, and then you're going to take your first piece and put it underneath your pointy finger and plait again. You're going to take the next piece and watch how I hold the hair to put it underneath and plait again. Now you're going to take your last piece and put it underneath the pointy finger and plait all the way to the end. I don't use too much hair because I don't want the hair to be too bulky, and I want it to be the same size all the way down. Now I didn't want this video to be a very long video, so I'm going to fast forward all the way through the hair, and I'm going to show you what I do on the last plait. So enjoy watching. Right, we have made it to the end and we are finally on the last plait. As you can see, she's happy that we're on the last plait. So for the top of her hair is thicker at the top. So I'm going to start off by plaiting, but I'm going to plait twice. See? Plait twice. And then I'm going to add the hair in. You plait more on thicker hair than you do on thinner hair. But it's the same method I use by taking the expression and putting it into 3. You add it 3 times, same width, same size, everything. Same width and size is basically the same thing. I don't know why I just said it like that, but you get my drift. Now I'm going to take some olive oil wrap foam. You can use mousse, you can use foam, and put it all over the hair. Everyone always asks us what this does, but it literally tames any flyaways that is away. It helps it last longer. You can even use this whilst you're at home before you wrap it, before you go to bed. Yeah, and I'm going to take some hot water, boiled hot water by the kettle, and I'm going to seal the ends. This will stop blah, blah, blah. This will stop any ends from coming out. Dry it off with a towel. You can even blow dry it at the end as well after you've dried it off with a towel. I always blow dry it. And you are good to go, shorty. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you, please like, please comment, please subscribe, and tell me what more videos you want to see, whatever you want to learn. Thank you for watching. Bye.